Hello, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Today I want to show you a really cool Sony cordless telephone, and this is HG's equipment from Delaware, and this is the initial checkout of this really cool telephone. Now, HG always sends in really cool postcards from around the world, mostly the UK, and he's a very long time customer, and he always has pretty cool telephones that he sends in. Now, these Sony cordless telephones were very good units. They're made very well, and people really liked them because they're so simple, and they want to have them repaired when something happens to them. So we want to run through a little bit about what the problem is with this unit. The battery looks fairly new, or it was replaced, and it's not taking a charge. So we want to troubleshoot the base unit, and we want to troubleshoot the handset. Most likely the handset, the circuitry is probably accepting the charge or the voltage, but the battery is not. So somewhere along the circuitry we have an issue, and we're going to be troubleshooting that charged circuit. We have a lot of work that needs to be done. We want to get a start on this unit. We'll go ahead and take some still pictures of this really cool Sony cordless telephone, and we'll come back and get some more video as we move forward in the troubleshooting and repairing process. We'll take a short break and we'll be right back. Okay, we're back now, and we're finished up with the repair of this really cool Sony cordless telephone, and we're ready to start our final checkout. We found some issues in the charging circuit at the handset, the main PC board, so we took care of those issues, and the battery charged back up to a normal voltage. So what we want to do now is we want to go ahead and start our final checkout, but we also want to mention our amplified pickup. We use this pickup in troubleshooting, repairing, and on our final checkouts. It's amplified so that you can hear the audio from a receiver. And I have an amplifier back by the video. It has a button on it, and when I press the button, I can give dial tone or take it away at any time. And since it's an open amplifier, it is prone to any static interference or noise in the atmosphere. I'm going to go ahead and press the button. You may hear a little bit of an electrical hum. I'll release it, press it one more time, and release it. So if you hear any noise during the final checkout, it will be coming from the amplifier and not the telephone. Now what we want to do is use the analyzer and send a ring cycle like you were getting a call, so we'll start that. We'll let that go a few times. I'll let it go one more time and we'll give you some dial tone. We want to walk through our numbers. If you watch the analyzer, you'll watch the numbers roll by. I'm going to end in a 2. Now we want to go ahead and transmit into the handset, If you watch that red light on the analyzer, every time you see that red light light up, that's an indication of 100% modulation on transmit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hello? Hello. We can go ahead and hang our handset up. We have our charge light and the battery is charging now. Now what we can do is go ahead and press the button on the switch box. That'll give us a line out, totally take the analyzer out of the situation, and we'll call a time and temp number. Go ahead and give you some dial tone. And we'll make that call.
The time and temperature is coming up after this. To hear the time and temperature, just stay on the line. Today is Wednesday, November 18th. The current time, 8:17 p.m. and the temperature, 55 degrees.
We can go ahead and hang up. We'll give you some dial tone and we'll call my number and it'll be busy. And we'll make that call. Go ahead and hang our handset up. Now that we know that this really cool Sony cordless telephone has been repaired, we can return this unit back to HG and he can enjoy this telephone once again. Like we mentioned earlier, these are very good telephones and they were made very well. People really liked them. This is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Thank you for watching and have a great day.